Hello friends, welcome to H2 Zone Solution and Production. Now go to menu. In the menu page, we will see the menu like we have only one menu in this theme. So we seen only one menu. If we have lot of menu, you will see other menu after this default menu. You can also customize this menu like this menu has first home, about us, then simple page. I am going to change simple page position before about us and click on create menu. After that just click on these options. It will set your menu as default. Click on save menu. Now you can see that first we have home, simple page, and then about us. Just refresh this page and now you can see that simple page will goes before about us. This section is related to customize your menu. You can also delete any menu and also you can make a child menu, but this menu will only works if your theme is supported for drop down menu. If your theme is not supported for drop down menu, it will not work. Okay, let's see our theme is supported or not a drop down menu. Just click on save menu and refresh this page. Oh, that's good. It's supported drop down menu. And now you can see that about us is the child of simple page. Before go to background, just change it to back and click on save menu. And now you can see that drop down options will change to simple menu. Okay, now go to background options. If you want to change your background of your theme, then you can click on this change image and you can browse your image, and you can also change title horizontally, title vertically. You can change these options as your demand. Now go to, this is related to theme options, so I am not going to discuss it. Now I am going to click install plugin. If your theme has any plugin, then it will go in plugin sections. Mostly themes is not has plugins, but if you have a very impressive theme which has lot of functionality, then sometime which has different plugins. If you want to install this, then click on install this button. And if you think that this plugins had comes latest update, then click on this update options. Okay, I am going to active. Now my plugins is installed. Go to return dashboard. Now go to editor sections. Editor sections is for developers. If you are a good developers, then you can change your WordPress theme from this editor section. There is all pages which we have in our theme. Okay, for explaining I am just showing you one example, like go to footer.php and enter anything in this code. Like I'm going to type h2 zone in footer.php and just save this page and refresh our page, and now you can see that our footer will displaying h2 zone. This is just for explaining. Do not change this code if you are not good in programming, otherwise your theme will create any problem. So I recommend you that if you are good in programming or you are developer, then you can use this editor. Update this file. Okay, now go to plugin sections, click on install plugin.